Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Mansha. I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create this makeup look. This is my version of no makeup look, and I do this makeup look almost every other day when I shoot, or this is the look that I create the most until and unless I have to experiment with makeup and I have to create a certain look. This is the look that I do almost every other day when I shoot, and this is so simple, so doable that you can easily achieve this and do this in 5 to 10 minutes, and that's what I do. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So I've already prepped my skin and it's nicely moisturized, so let's directly hop onto the makeup. So I'll start with the concealer. I'm skipping the foundation here because honestly बहुत गर्मी है and I don't want to layer too much on my face. So that's why I'm just using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and wherever I want the coverage, I'll directly apply it there. Now with the help of a beauty blender, I'll blend the concealer very nicely. Take your time and blend properly. Honestly, सिर्फ यही एक step है जिसमें मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा time लगता है because I take my time and blend really nicely. I have used a damp beauty blender here, and don't forget to spray a little bit of water onto your beauty blender before using it. Make it a little bit wet so that it blends very seamlessly. Then I'll be applying the Nyka's compact powder. This compact powder is so good. It sets the makeup so nicely. I mean, this one is my favorite compact powder for now. Also, when you apply it, it's very pigmented on your skin. Overall gives a very nice matte finish look. Next, moving to the eyes, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution palette. This is very old palette that I have and I have used it the most, and this light coral shade is the shade that I use mostly. I just add some color to my eyes. That's why I use this color majorly. I don't want to create any specific eye look here. I'm just adding some coral color to my eyes and I'm blending this color really nicely onto my eyelids. Then applying the eyeliner from Nykaa again. It's a liquid eyeliner and somehow I always get uncomfortable applying it in front of the camera. So yeah, this is how I've applied it somehow. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying this mascara from Maybelline. It's the Colossal mascara. I really like this mascara. It's my go-to one because it gives that natural look to my eyelashes, which is perfect for this kind of natural makeup look. Applying it 2 to 3 coats until I'm satisfied. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade brown. I'll just be filling the gaps with the light strokes. Also, I feel a brown eyebrow pencil works so much better compared to a jet black one. I think with a brown one, it looks so much natural. Now using this lip and cheek tint from Face Shop, I'm literally obsessed with lip and cheek tints these days. Most of the time I pick tints instead of powder blushes. I love to take the blush up to the cheekbone. That's how I like it. And if you feel you have applied little too much, you can always blend it with a beauty blender and balance it out. Now for the last part, I'll be lining my lips using this pink lip liner from Miss Claire. I'll be lining my lips really nicely before applying the lipstick. And for the lipstick, I'm using this Nicka K lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. It's my favorite lipstick of all times. I keep repurchasing this shade every time it gets over. I think this shade is that shade that will suit each and every Indian skin tone. And yeah, with that the look is complete. I love how this look is so natural, so easy to do. It's a clean makeup look using very less products. So I hope you found the video helpful. I'll link all the products in the description box. If you found the video helpful, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such content, and also press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.